Could a tiny seed be the secret to healthier, shinier, stronger hair? Today on Healthy Horizons, we're diving deep into the wonders of flax seeds and how they can transform your hair from dull and dry to nourished and thriving. Flax seeds, also known as alsi in Hindi, may be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrients. For centuries, they've been used in Ayurvedic practices for everything from digestion to heart health. But did you know? They're also one of the best superfoods for your hair. Whether you're dealing with hair fall, dryness, split ends, or just want that natural shine, flax seeds might just be your new best friend. So, what makes flax seeds so special for hair? Omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3s, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. This nourishes hair follicles, improves elasticity, and reduces hair breakage. Vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant fights free radicals, supports scalp health, and encourages healthy hair growth. B vitamins, B1, B2, B6, and folate, all help in strengthening the hair shaft and preventing thinning. Lignans, these are plant compounds that reduce inflammation and hormonal imbalances, which are often linked to hair loss. Protein and fiber, support healthy hair growth from the inside out by improving gut health and nutrient absorption. Let's break down what these nutrients actually do for your hair. 1. Reduces hair fall. Omega-3s improve blood circulation to the scalp, feeding your hair follicles with nutrients and reducing inflammation that can lead to hair loss. 2. Promotes hair growth. The combination of vitamin E and B vitamins helps in strengthening hair from the root, encouraging longer and stronger strands. 3. Adds natural shine. Dry and dull hair. Flaxseed oil or gel can deeply moisturize the hair shaft, giving you that soft, silky shine, without chemicals. 4. Fights dandruff and dry scalp. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe scalp irritation, itching, and dandruff. 5. Prevents split ends. Regular use of flaxseed gel or oil can smoothen your strands and prevent damage and breakage. Here's how you can include flax seeds in your routine, both internally and externally. Small blue diamond. Internal use, eat them. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your smoothies, oats, or yogurt. Don't eat them whole, your body can't digest the hard shell. Always grind them fresh. Start slow and drink plenty of water, they're high in fiber. Small blue diamond. External use, flaxseed gel, DIY treatment. Here's a simple recipe for flaxseed hair gel. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, 1.5 cups of water. Method: boil flax seeds in water for 7 to 10 minutes until it turns into a gel. Let it cool, then strain and store in the fridge for up to a week. Application: apply this gel to your scalp and hair like a mask. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes before rinsing. It acts as a natural conditioner and styling product. Like with anything, consistency is key, but so is moderation. A few things to keep in mind. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on blood thinners, check with your doctor first. Don't overdo it, 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is enough. Store flax seeds in the fridge to prevent them from going rancid. From inside your body to the strands on your head, flax seeds are truly a gift from nature. Packed with nutrients, easy to use, and totally affordable, they just might be the simple hair care solution you've been looking for. Give it a try. Let your hair soak in the goodness, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Horizons for more natural wellness tips and remedies. Until next time, stay healthy, stay radiant.